Hello friends, neighbors, and welcome to all new viewers. My name is Realtor Jacob, and thank you for joining me on another episode of Community Highlights. Today, we're viewing the community of Corkscrew Shores. It's one of the newest gated communities offered, with a 240-acre lake nestled next to some of the best shopping, restaurants, golf, beaches, and is even a 15-minute drive from the RSW area. Standing in the club view model that ranges just over 3,000 square feet, boasts 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and has a 3-car garage. Not only is this an incredibly spacious home, but it comes with some awesome features like these zero-corner glass sliding doors that pocket away and leave you with just an incredible view of the 240-acre lake and your pool. There's a variety of floor plans and only 25 lots left to build, so if you're thinking about building, do it now. So much for watching. If you're interested in this community or one of these models or homes I showed in the videos, contact me at the information below. And the most important part of all, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. And if you have any questions, my contact info is in the description.